Hey YouTube, today we're going to be talking about the installation of the new G42 edge connector. Now, I've been waiting for about 2, maybe 3 weeks in order to go ahead and install this. I've got 2 G42s here. This is a newer one. All these are stock. So let me go ahead and do a safety check first. Nothing in there, no magazines. Nothing in there, no magazines or ammunition around. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go ahead and leave the new one stock, and then I'm going to put the G42 edge connector into this this weapon, and I'm going to see what the difference is with regard to pull, at least perceived pull. I don't have a one of the scales for actually measuring the amount of pounds. I can just tell. Go ahead and set that aside for a second and get out the new bar. See if I can see any differences in between these two. The new connector, rather, not the new bar. Supposedly this is all polished and everything. You can see. Let me go ahead and get a close-up look of this if you can see it. I don't know. This back in, sort of at a fleet angle, push it forward, and then just sort of rotate it into place. See? Now it's in there. Now you can see how it's now into the ghost connector. Make sure that this piece is underneath that lip, so I'm not going to get that problem. Okay? So now that's done. So let's take a look at that. Got it. Okay, so let's zoom out. No. No. Everything should be functional again. Okay, folks, here we are taking a look at the finished product. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make a determination of whether the pistols in their pull feel different. Now here's the stock 380, and let me go ahead and just rack it once. And it's a long travel, and I can feel a little bit of a hump as I go ahead and pull the trigger. It's hard, and then it breaks. Now let me go ahead and switch to the one that I just did with the edge connector. So let me go ahead. This is the G42 with the new Ghost edge connector. Okay, I pull back. There's not much of a hump anymore. It feels more smooth, and then it's definitely a lighter pull on the trigger itself. Definitely a lighter pull. Let me do that again. So it just feels, pull it really slowly, it just feels smoother, and then it breaks quicker. Let me just make sure that it's not my imagination. Let me go ahead and switch back to the stock G42 trigger. Okay, so I pull back. I feel it's rough, and it's kind of a hump that I have to hit. It's a long pull, and it definitely is harder to get to the point where it actually releases. Let me just go ahead and do this again here. Put these in one in each pocket. Here's the one with the new Ghost edge connector. I pull back slowly, and then just breaks a lot cleaner. I really do. I mean, this does seem to be an improvement to this pistol. Yeah, it just breaks cleaner. Just breaks cleaner. Yeah, definitely. There's just no way that's not my imagination. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and take this to the range in the next couple of days, and then I'll report back as an addendum to this video of let you know what the results are after shooting it. But